All right, Car Biz quiz. Pay attention. You know that all Chevrolet dealerships pay exactly the same amount for vehicles from the factory.
Down to the penny.
So customer prices are not that different. That means you can save some big money buying from a dealership who can sell for less. Like Sunset Chevrolet in tiny overhead Sumner. But the real savings come after the sale in your total cost of driving, your total cost of ownership. This is so simple. Listen up. Sunset Chevrolet includes warranty protection for life on every new Chevrolet. A no-deductible, no-cost to you, limited powertrain warranty. Sunset Chevy has it, the other guys, not. Thus, Sunset lowers your total cost of driving and vehicle ownership. Now here's your Car Biz quiz question. Where should you get your next new Chevy? That's right, genius. Sunset Chevrolet. Pencils down, don't eat the paste, you passed. Find new roads to Sunset Chevrolet in tiny overhead Sumner.
Sunset Chevrolet.